Hi, this is Kona Karan Reddy. Today I would like to explain how to show that root 2 is an irrational number. So how to prove this irrational number? So first of all, let us assume that root 2 is not an irrational number. So that means we are assuming that root 2 is a rational number. So assume that root 2 is a rational number. So as we assumed that root 2 is a rational number, we can write this in the form of just like R by S, A by B, P by Q, whatever it may be. So let us assume that root 2 is equal to A over B. Here A and B are co-primes. That means these are in least, the fraction A by B in the least form. So that means A comma B are co-primes. Now we can write this one like A equal to root 2B. So if you square on both sides, you will get A square is equal to 2B square. So what does it mean? Here B square is an integer. So 2 times B square is an even number. So this is even number. What does it mean? A square is also even number. A square is an even number. That means we can write 2 divides A square. That implies actually 2 divides A square means 2 is a prime number. That is dividing A square. That means we can write 2 divides A also. So what does it mean? 2 divides A means A is exactly divisible by 2. That means we can write A equal to 2 times something. Let us take that one as C. So A equal to 2C. Now you see let us take this is A square equal to 2B square. This is equation number 1. Now you substitute A equal to 2C in equation number 1. So what you will get? 2C whole square is equal to 2B square. That means 4C square equal to 2B square. So if you cancel them, this is the left cancellation law. So that means you can write B square is equal to 2C square. Here also you can apply the same thing. 2C square is an even number. That means B square is also an even number. That means 2 divides B square, which implies 2 divides B. If you observe this one and this one, you see 2 divides A and 2 divides B. That means 2 divides both A and B. That means 2 is a common factor for both A and B. This violates our assumption that A and B are co-primes. You see here, A and B are co-primes. We assumed that. But here we got, what is that? We got 2 is a common factor of A and B. What does it mean? So this is violating our assumption. That means why we are getting this violation? Why? Because we assumed wrongly. Our assumption is root 2 is not an irrational number. That is our assumption. That is wrong. What does it mean? That means root 2 is irrational number. That is correct. So that is the proof of root 2 is an irrational number. Thank you.